In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Apple Pay on Apple Watch not working. First, make sure your Apple Watch is properly paired with your iPhone and that both devices are signed in to the same Apple ID since Apple Pay relies on this connection. Next, check the both iPhone and Apple Watch are updated to the latest iOS and watchOS versions because outdated software can cause Apple Pay to stop working. Then, open the Watch app on your iPhone, go to Wallet and Apple Pay, and confirm that your cards are added and verified on the Apple Watch, as cards added on your iPhone may still need verification for watch use. Restart both your iPhone and Apple Watch to refresh system processes and try making a payment again. If Apple Pay still doesn't work on your Apple Watch, remove the card from the Watch app and add it again, completing the verification process if prompted. If the issue continues, contact your card issuer to confirm the card is supported on Apple Watch and not restricted. So that's it.